Welcome to CHINAPLAS 2024 at Tech Hub CPRJ. Now, right now, I'm at the booth of Nouryon. So let's explore the booth of Nouryon to see how this little expandable microspheres open the world of possibilities from automotive and footwear. Now, we are right here to invite Ms. Sylvia, the Vice President of Engineering Polymers at Nouryon. Good morning, Sylvia.
Good morning, very happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, so would you please tell us what's new about Nouryon at this year's CHINAPLAS 2024? What new products or solutions does Nouryon show at this CHINAPLAS 2024?
Yes, so first of all, it's great to be back at CHINAPLAS after quite some years. And of course, we're here to meet some of our existing customers, but mostly also to meet new people who are interested in our solutions. So beside our well-established products, we are really excited to promote two new products this year. One of them is our Expancel Expandable Microsphere HP92, which is especially developed for applications where high pressure resistance is of importance. And then a very new product that we are actually launching today, so very exciting about that, that is our Expancel WB, which is especially developed for making wide shoe soles, which are very high in fashion and where there is a high demand in the market. So for that market, we have developed a microsphere that renders much wider, much brighter shoe soles, and we are proud to present that here today.
Okay, so could you please tell us more about how these little expandable microspheres improve the properties of materials or their performances?
Yes. So to start with, maybe let me explain a little bit what the thermoplastic expandable microsphere is. So basically, it's a small thermoplastic balloon that has a polymeric shell and encapsulates a hydrocarbon. Once this balloon is exposed to heat, it expands drastically up to 60 times in size. And with that, we have a product that can be both a blowing agent and a lightweight filler. So if we start with the blowing agent, if the microsphere in its unexpanded form is added to a product like, for instance, when you make injection molding of shoe soles, it will expand during the processing process and form a uniform closed cell structure that is, of course, rendering a lightweight product, but still it is very uniform in how it is foamed, and with that it has a high durability. If we use the pre-expanded microsphere, and that we generally use in products where not enough heat is applied in the manufacturing process to make it expand, so we pre-expand it, and with that we have an extremely high-performing lightweight filler. We come down to densities of about 25 kilograms per cubic meter, and that is 5, 6, up to 10 times lighter, less dense than some other lightweight fillers like glass microspheres. So with that, we can compete very well in bringing down the density of materials. Tiny addition, 1, 2, 3% can replace 30% of a resin, for instance. And with that, of course, you can achieve very important cost savings, but it also adds to the sustainability benefits of products as you simply use less material, and with that you can reduce the carbon footprint of many products. So I think those are some of the key aspects where lightweighting, cost savings, and then specific product performance aspects are added to products. And I can give some more examples maybe later, but I think those are some of the key general properties.
Yes, okay. Thank you. So, and I see there are also some new products shown there. So let's move there to see Nouryon's innovations in expandable microspheres. So just now you mentioned about how this expandable microsphere improve their properties. So I would like to ask what factors customers will consider when they select your expandable microspheres? What factors concern them most?
Yeah. So I think today we see that there is a tremendous need for multifunctional solutions. The market, the consumers, they demand a lot, and therefore manufacturers are seeking solutions where one additive actually can solve several problems or pain points in the market. I think one application where we can see some of that is multicolor paint. That is an application where, you know, paint producers are producing a coating, a paint that manages to imitate marble. So instead of having heavy, expensive marble slabs on buildings, they can provide a coating that is much cheaper, much lighter, and therefore an easy solution in the building market. So what does Expancel make here? So the paint basically consists of binder and different sands, that is added. And what Expancel does is, on one hand, it helps to keep the sand particles in suspension in the paint, so it helps as a suspension aid, but it also reduces again the density of the paint, so it's easier for the craftsman to carry the can bottles, and you know, one kilogram of paint will last more square meters of paint. So it's a performance that we provide, but it also reduces costs, and it is you know, helping from a health point of view to make the work easier for the painters in the industry. So that is one example. I think we have another one that is also very popular here in China. It's toy clay, so for children to play in a creative way. And different to traditional modeling clay that was oil and flour based, this is a water-based product, and it is so much lighter. It has a soft, silky feel, and therefore makes it, you know, more fun to play. So if you want to test, I mean, it's really very light,
Yes, very light.
highly elastic, so it lasts for a long time to play with.
Oh, yeah.
And again, this is where lightweighting is one aspect, but it's also the silky, nice touch that Expancel microspheres provide that adds to the value in this market.
And it's good for kids to play like
Absolutely,
hygiene, right?
absolutely. It's very hygienic, and we have the highest safety standards in our products. Yeah,
That's great. Okay, so I noticed there is also footwear. So could you please tell us more about Nouryon's innovations for these products?
Yes, as I mentioned, in shoe soles, it's again about several aspects that are sought after. On one hand, lightweighting is of importance. Yeah, people want to have light shoes. You also want to have a comfortable sort of elastic feel to it, but at the same time you want to have a durable shoe sole with which you can walk for many miles and it will not erode. And this is where thermoplastic microspheres like Expancel microspheres provide a very powerful solution. You have again the closed cell structure that provides a uniform foaming throughout the sole. It's a much more durable solution also compared to chemical blowing agents, where you get the lightweight but the sole will not last that long. And now, as I just explained before, with our latest introduction of the WB series, we have made a microsphere that is lighter in color, so it's very white. It works with all other additives and still remains crystal bright white shoe sole, which is very much in fashion right now. I think if you look around, you see a lot of people today with light shoes, with white shoe soles.
Sure.
But of course, Expancel thermoplastic microspheres will work in any color, so it's not just white. But our latest innovation here is on this product. But looking forward, innovation is super important for us, and as a market leader, it's our responsibility to continuously develop and to sort of find new solutions for the market. And one area we're focusing on very heavily is looking into how can we introduce renewable bio-based materials into the expandable microsphere. And we are now at the stage where we do have prototypes that we are sampling out in the industry, and I'm sure that in one of the next CHINAPLAS we will present those products that are partially based on bio-based products.
Okay, just couldn't wait to see them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So finally, I know that Nouryon has a global presence, right? So all these products are produced globally.
Yes, indeed. I mean, we are the market leader in expandable microspheres and have been that for over 40 years. We have constantly expanded our manufacturing footprint, and last year was a milestone when we have started up a completely new polymerization plant in the United States. So we have expanded our manufacturing footprint heavily. So that complements our big plant in Sweden and our downstream processing plants in China and in Brazil. So yes, we take pride in being a reliable supplier worldwide, which we also see that we have skilled teams in all parts of the world. And that is not just salespeople, we also have here, for instance, in China and throughout Asia, very skilled technical people who help our customers in the many markets to make use of our products in the best possible way.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Sylvia. Thanks for opening a magic world of expandable microspheres for us. Let us to know how Nouryon help those industries to help their performance, to increase their efficiency, and to reduce their carbon emission as well. And for more details about the expandable microspheres, please come to Nouryon's booth at CHINAPLAS 2024. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Sylvia.
Thank you.
Thank you.